Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build data-driven growth strategies, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining data-driven growth strategies. Explain that these strategies rely on data analysis to inform decision-making. Identify key performance indicators relevant to your business. Gather data from various sources such as customer feedback, sales reports, and market research. Use analytics tools to extract meaningful insights from the data collected. Segment your audience based on demographics, behaviors, and preferences. Develop clear, measurable goals aligned with overall business objectives. Create a hypothesis on how to achieve these goals using the insights gained. Test your hypotheses through A/B testing or pilot programs. Analyze the results of your tests to determine effectiveness. Adjust your strategies based on the findings from your analysis. Implement the refined strategies across your organization. Monitor performance continuously to ensure alignment with goals. Use data visualization tools to present findings clearly and effectively. Encourage a culture of data literacy within your team. Train team members on how to interpret data and make informed decisions. Iterate your strategies regularly based on new data and market trends. Stay updated with industry developments to enhance your data approach. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to leverage diverse insights. Document your processes and learnings for future reference. Aim for long-term growth by establishing a feedback loop with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.